Continuous.
Today we will start continuous tense. Indefinite past completed. Interrogative. Okay. Future indefinite. Interrogative part past left. Okay. Example of interrogative sentence. Okay. Only examples. Rule I have given you already. Okay. क्या तुम बुरे लड़कों का साथ नहीं छोड़ोगे? ओके. So first of all, we will write the English of kya, and for this kya, we will use our helping verb. So will you not leave the company of bad boys? At last, question mark. वे हमारे साथ अपना वादा कब निभाएंगे? Okay. So kab, here is the word kab. Kab is the question word. So first of all, we will write the English of this kab. Kab means when. When will they keep promise? Keep promise means वादा निभाना. Okay. So when will they keep promise हमारे साथ with us? At last, question mark. Now we start next tense. Okay. Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. First of all, identification. Okay. At the last of this tense comes रहा होगा, रही होंगी, रहे होंगे. रहा होगा, रही होंगी, रहे होंगे. Okay. Now affirmative. Okay. Same with I and we. These are the first person pronouns. Okay. With I and we use shall, as you know already, plus be. Okay, in continuous form, we use be with shall and will. Okay, shall plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object at last full stop. Rest of nouns and pronouns we use will plus be verb first form plus ing then object at last full stop. Now come to negative. Okay, same with I and we use shall. Okay, then not, then be. It means not is placed between shall and be. नॉट जो आएगा वो shall and be के बीच में आएगा प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing then object at last full stop. Rest of nouns and pronouns you will use will plus not plus be verb first form plus ing then object at last full stop. Now interrogative. Okay, first part. When the sentence begins with क्या, जब सेंटेंस क्या से शुरू होता है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we write the English of this kya. Is kya means the use of helping verb, and here our helping verb is shall and will. So we use here shall oblique will according to our subject. According to our subject plus subject then be then verb first form then ing then object at last question mark. The second part, when any question word comes in the mid of sentence, then first of all we write the English of the question word. Then question word plus shall or will according to our subject. Then subject plus be, then verb first form plus ing, then object. At last is question mark. Now come to the examples. Shall we clean it? This also? Okay. Examples. पुजारी मंदिर में घंटा बजा रहे होंगे। पुजारी मंदिर में घंटा बजा रहे होंगे। पुजारी बड़े हो गए इसलिए के रहे होंगे। नाउ पुजारी द प्रीस्ट will be ringing the bell मंदिर में in the temple. At last, full stop. Here, the subject, according to the rule, subject will, then be, verb first form, then ing, and then object. मेरे पिताजी मेरे रिपोर्ट कार्ड पर हस्ताक्षर कर रहे होंगे। तो मेरे पिताजी माय फादर विल बी, अब हम यहाँ पर साइनिंग भी कर सकते हैं। विल बी साइनिंग, हम सिग्नेचर को एज ए वर्ब भी यूज कर सकते हैं। सिग्नेचर का जो वर्ब होगा वो क्या साइन बन जाएगा, SIGN। और हमारा मतलब विल बी पुटिंग सिग्नेचर दिस इन अवर हैंड। तो माय फादर विल बी साइनिंग SIGNING, साइनिंग ऑन माय रिपोर्ट कार्ड। नाउ नेगेटिव, ये व्यक्ति इस इमारत का सही परीक्षण नहीं कर रहे होंगे। ओके, तो ये व्यक्ति दीज पीपल, these people will not be परीक्षण को examining या inspecting. Okay, so this people will not be doing right inspection of this building. Right inspection, or you can say proper inspection. Okay, so we can write here also proper also. Proper inspection. You can write both the words, either right or both. Proper inspection. These are negative. वह तुम्हें दावत में नजरअंदाज नहीं कर रहा होगा. नजरअंदाज मीन्स इग्नोर करना. इट मीन्स इग्नोर करना. ओके, वह ही will not be ignoring you in the party. Okay, this is the example of negative. Now come to the interrogative. क्या तुम हमें धोखा देने की कोशिश कर रही होंगी? क्या तुम हमें क्या चलिए, तो क्या इज सिमिलर स्टार्टिंग. तो तुम के लिए विल यूज विल हियर. Will you be? Here are two verbs. धोखा देना and कोशिश करना. Okay, so we are just seeing that रहा रही किस में आ रहा है? कोशिश कर रहे होंगे. Okay, so here we will write here trying. Okay, will you be trying? Will you be trying to cheat? A simple sentence. Will you be trying to cheat us? Okay. ये बच्चे आपस में क्यों झगड़ रहे होंगे? ओके, सो क्यों इज अ क्वेश्चन वर्ड. So first of all, we will write the English of this क्यों. I'm writing this above. मैं ऊपर लिख रहा हूं. Then first of all, we'll write why. Why will ये बच्चे these children, then quarreling, QUARRELING, quarreling मीन्स झगड़ना हो गया आपस में, together. At last question mark. We, why will these children be? Sorry. These children be quarreling together. ये बच्चे आपस में क्यों झगड़ रहे होंगे? Now future continuous tense gets completed. Okay. Now comes the future perfect tense. Hello बच्चों, it is getting clear to you? Hello
Yes,
बच्चों.
sir.
Okay बेटा. Now we come to our next. It is future perfect tense. First of all, identification. At last of the sentence comes चुकेगा, चुकेंगे, चुकेंगी. चुकेगा, चुकेंगी, चुकूंगा. Okay. Now, affirmative. Okay. Same with I and we use shall plus have. Okay. With the perfect tense and have will show that it is perfect tense. Okay. With I and we plus shall plus have plus verb. Third form, then object, at last full stop. Rest of nouns and pronouns. We use will plus have plus verb. Third form, then object, at last full stop. Now negative. Okay. Same with I and we plus shall. Now, chance comes of not to place in it. Okay. We will write not after shall. Means not will be placed between shall and have. Okay. Not will come between shall and have. Shall not have and same the will not have. So shall not have plus verb. Third form plus object, at last full stop. Then rest of nouns and pronouns we will use will, not, will plus not plus have plus verb third form, then object at last, full stop. Now, from the interrogative sentence, actually, period is over. Okay. Next step will come here. So I am ending the meeting. Okay, but first, beta, send me your file for checking, or come to school with your file for checking. Okay. Hello, बच्चों.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Send me your file or bring your file to school for checking.